Hello and welcome to King Cole's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to demo some sewing up, so how to sew two crocheted squares together. Now normally I would use the same yarn that I'm using for to create the item, but for demonstration purposes I'm going to use this nice bright orange just so you can really see what I'm doing. So we're going to be sewing together along this ridge here using just the back stitch for each one. So I'll show you what I mean now. We're going to turn them over. I prefer to start just a little way along the row, so I'm matching my stitches up towards the edge, and then about 3 or 4 stitches in I'm going to start picking up. So what I've done there, I'm going to leave a little tail as well for sewing in later. So I'm picking up just that back loop there and then the corresponding one on the other piece and pulling that through. So here's the next one. Just the back loops for this one. This is one of my preferred methods. There's lots of other methods for sewing up too, but this is just a nice simple one, particularly if you're fairly new to it. You can see that it's very definite as to what you're picking up. And there we go. Just do a couple more and then I'm going to turn it over and show you the effect. Now if you wanted, you could use a contrasting yarn like this as part of the stitch detailing. So that's the back. We turn it over and that is what you would see from the front. Obviously slightly neater at the ends as you finish off. If you've done it in the same coloured yarn, you wouldn't even see that. You would just have this nice little indent here. You can do that all the way round, attaching lots of squares, and it's a lovely neat way of doing your finishing. Hope that's helpful. Bye.